Hey, what's up guys, this is Sarvesh from SK's Tech back with another video. So as you guys know, iOS 14 is going to be releasing sometime next week or next month maybe. And so far we haven't seen any widgets for iOS 14 from any of the mainstream application manufacturers or developers. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Spotify widget on your iOS 14 running iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to the link given in the description below. That will take you to this link. Now for this to work, you should have test flight installed on your iPhone. After that, tap on start testing. It will take you to the test flight app. Tap on accept and tap on install. After installing, tap on open, tap on OK, tap on next and tap on start testing. Now here go to this music, tap on Spotify. It will take you to the Spotify app, and after authorizing, the app will exit back to this app. And now go back to your home screen, tap and hold, tap this plus, scroll down till you see tune track, and this is the widget. Tap on add widget and the widget will be added. And now if I go to Spotify and play any of the song should appear here. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends so they can also try out this new Spotify widget on their iOS 14 running iPhone. And don't forget to subscribe. So that's it for this video guys. See you guys in the next one.